YouTube, it's your boy Mr. Wavy, and today I'm back up in this thing with another video. But before I get too far gonna open this video, I'm gonna y'all to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, turn on all post notifications. And in today's video, we're gonna be talking about brown Listerine and how can you use it for your 360 waves. Alright? Yes, y'all can use brown Listerine for your 360 waves. So with that being said, follow me on Instagram at TheOnlyMrWavy, all one word. Also follow me on TikTok, TheOnlyMrWavy, all one word. So let's get into the video. YouTube, it's your boy Mr. Wavy, and I'm back with another video. But we just gonna get straight into the point, alright? So first thing first, you ever been combing your hair and your hair be having flakes? Sometimes it have flakes for your hair be dry, and sometimes your hair be having flakes because it have dandruff. Alright, so let's get the dry flakes out the way. All you need to do is add either oil or moisturizer to your hair to keep your hair from being dry. So what is dandruff? Dandruff comes from having an unhealthy scalp, and also it's come from not taking proper care of your hair. So what is dandruff? Dandruff is a fungus that grows on your head when you don't take care of your hair. And also, how can you get rid of dandruff? So every time you wash your hair, maybe not every time you wash your hair, but like every once in a while. So what you do is you rinse your hair out first just to clean your hair, alright? Then you keep your hair wet from rinsing your shampoo out, right? You don't want to dry your hair. That's something you won't do. You don't want to do is dry your hair. But you can use it on dry hair, but it works better with wet hair. So what you do is you spray your hair with the mouthwash brown Listerine, or you just scrub it in your hair. But the easiest way to find a spray bottle, pour it inside the spray bottle and spray the brown Listerine on your hair. You let it sit, maybe like 10 to 15 minutes, and then you rinse it out. And once you do that a couple times, when you wash, the dandruff will go away, alright? I did it, it worked, but what's worked for me may not work for you. So this was a little quick video. If you have any questions, get down in the comment section and let me know. Check out all my other videos. It's your boy Mr. Wavy, and I'm out. Peace.